In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use Google Drive for desktop. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. Any modern browser will work, but I'll demonstrate using a typical setup you're likely familiar with. In the address bar or search box, type Google Drive login and press enter. This search helps you get to the official Drive page quickly and safely. On the results page, scroll down until you see the official link titled Google Drive Share Files Online with Secure Cloud Storage. Click that result. This takes you to Google's Drive homepage where you can access your files and settings. Next, click Sign In. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Once you're authenticated, you'll land on your Drive page, which is your hub for all your files and folders. Now let's install Drive as a desktop app-like experience using your browser. Look to the top right corner of the browser window for the three dots, which open the browser menu. Click those three dots. In the menu that appears, scroll down until you find the section that includes options like Cast, Save, Awesome, Doing, Share. In this area, select Install Pages app. Depending on your browser, the wording might vary slightly, but you're looking for the option that installs the current page as an app. A confirmation window will pop up showing the app name and icon. This is simply asking if you want to create a standalone window for Google Drive. Click Install. Your computer will create a dedicated Drive app that opens without the usual browser tabs or address bar, making it feel more like a native desktop application. After installation, go to your home screen or app list to find the new Google Drive app. You can open it from there anytime. For quick access, right-click the app and pin it to your taskbar so it's always one click away. You can also use the Windows search bar to find it by typing Google Drive. At this point, you're ready to use it. Open the Drive app and you'll see your files in a clean, focused window. You can browse folders, open documents, and manage your storage just like you would in the browser, but with the convenience of an app you can launch directly. That's it. Simple, fast, and organized, giving you desktop-style access to Google Drive whenever you need it.